Hello everyone, welcome back to crazynews.com, daily automoto news. Big news for millions of Bajaj motorcycle owners across India. Bajaj Auto has officially confirmed that all motorcycles manufactured in the last 10 years are fully compatible with E20 petrol. And the best part? Your bike's warranty will remain valid even if you use E20 fuel. Let's find out what this means for you. Bajaj Auto has officially announced that every Bajaj motorcycle produced over the past decade can safely run on E20 fuel, which contains 20% ethanol blended with petrol. This means you don't need to worry if your local fuel station starts supplying E20 petrol. Bajaj says these motorcycles have already been engineered to handle this fuel safely. One of the biggest concerns among bike owners has been whether using E20 fuel could void the warranty. Bajaj has now cleared all doubts by confirming that using E20 petrol will not affect your motorcycle's warranty. That's excellent news for existing owners who were hesitant about switching to ethanol-blended fuel. This announcement covers almost the entire Bajaj lineup manufactured during the last 10 years. Popular models include Pulsar series, Dominar series, Platina, CT series, Avenger, the Bajaj-built KTM motorcycles, Bajaj-built Triumph motorcycles. So if you own one of these bikes, you can confidently use E20 petrol. Bajaj also mentioned that riders may notice a slight reduction in fuel economy because ethanol contains less energy than regular petrol. However, the company says real-world mileage depends much more on factors like riding style, traffic conditions, tire pressure, and regular maintenance. For most riders, the difference is expected to be minimal. Another major advantage is that owners don't need any engine modifications or retrofit kits. Simply fill your tank with E20 petrol and ride as usual. Bajaj also highlighted its experience in Brazil, where petrol contains even higher ethanol blends, giving the company confidence in the reliability of its motorcycles. So that's today's important update. Bajaj has officially confirmed that motorcycles manufactured over the last 10 years are E20 compatible, require no modifications, and continue to enjoy full warranty coverage. What do you think about India's shift toward ethanol-blended fuel? Have you already started using E20 petrol in your bike? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more daily automoto news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.